Are you having a hard time understanding geometric and arithmetic sequence?
I am here to tackle about arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by adding a constant different to the preceding term. Imagine a line of number where you always add the same amount to get the next number. Here is the example of arithmetic sequence. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, and 23. To get the next term, you had to add 4, where 4 is constant. Here is the formula for arithmetic sequence. An equals A1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, where A1 stands for the first term, n is the nth term, and the d is the common difference. Let's have an example. Find the sixth term of a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. By using the formula an equals a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, we have to find first the given. A1 is equal to 2. N is equal to 6 because we're finding the sixth term. D is equal to 2, which represent our common difference. So let's have our computation. So A6 equals 2 plus 6 minus 1 multiplied by 2. A6 equals 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. That's why it's 5. A6 equals 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So 2 plus 10 equals 12. So our A6 is equals to 12. Now what if we need to find the sum of the sequence? Here is the formula. Sn is equals n over 2 is multiplied by a1 plus an. Let's try. By using the same sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, now we have our given. A1 equals 2, common difference equals 2, n equals 5, and a5 equals 10. So S5 equals 5 over 2. It's multiplied by 2 plus 10. So 2 plus 10 equals 12. 12 multiplied by 5 equals 60 and divided by 2. So the answer is 30. So the sum of that sequence is 30. Now, have you realized that math isn't that hard? Actually, math gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Of course, math is tough, but so are you. So don't limit yourself. Just like the pie, you have infinite potential. May your creativity be endless, your kindness unbounded, and your exploration limitless. That's all. Keep going.
Hello everyone! Now, we will discuss geometric sequence and geometric series. We'll define them, show the formulas, and solve some examples together. So first, what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a numerical pattern in which each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant r called the common ratio. The nth term of a geometric sequence with first term a sub 1 and a common ratio r is given by a sub n is equals to a sub 1 r n minus 1, where the a sub 1 is the first term, the r is common ratio, and the n is the position of term. So let's give some examples. Example number 1. Find the sixth term of a sequence 5, 10, 20, 40. So the given here is a sub 1 is equals to 5. Which is the common ratio, is 2, and the n is 6. Our formula here is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 r raised to the power of n minus 1. A sub 6 is equals to 5 times 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 1. Then a sub 6 is equals to 5 times 2 raised to the power of 5, since 6 minus 1 is 5. So next is a sub 6 is equals to 5 times 32. Why 32? So 5 I 2 raised to the power of 5 is we multiply it 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So the answer is 32. That's why 32 here. So 5 times 32 is equals to 160. So the sixth term is 160. That's geometric sequence.
Hello everyone, this is Teacher Maxine. I am here to have a quick recap on what Teacher Darby and Teacher Nicole taught you. So, I have these questions prepared for you. I will give you two problems, one arithmetic and the other is geometric. Now, you can pause the video so you can solve. So are you done, everyone? Now we will solve. For the first problem, what is the fifth term of the arithmetic sequence 11, 15, 19, and 23? So, from what you have learned earlier, you would know that the formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 n minus 1 times d, which also means the common difference. So our a sub 1 is 11 and the number of terms is 5 minus 1 and 4 because of their common difference. So 11 plus 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 11 plus 16, it is equals to 27. The formula for geometric sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r over n by minus 1. So a sub 5 is equals to 9 times 2 by the power of 5 minus 1. Then it is a sub 5 equals 9 times 2 by the power of 4. And that will be a sub 5 equals 9 times 16. And 16 times 9 is equals to 144. So a sub 5 is equals to 144.